Alright, team. We are at a bustling Bangkok street food stall for lunch, and I am officially a Thai food expert. I have my order completely memorized.
เบนจะสั่งอะไรคะ
Sang ah-rai. Sang ah-rai. It means what to order. What will I order? I am getting the most authentic, complex dish in all of Thailand. Pad Thai.
ฝรั่งชอบสั่งผัดไทยนะคะ
Fah-rang. Fah-rang. It means foreigner. S? Hey, I am a seasoned traveler now. Pad Thai is a daily staple for everyone, right?
คนไทยไม่ได้กินผัดไทยทุกวันค่ะ
Tukwan. Tukwan. It means every day. Wait, Thai people don't eat pad Thai every day? My entire culinary worldview is shattered.
อาหารไทยมีหลายภาคนะคะ
Lai Pak. Lai Pak. It means many regions. Okay. Teach me. What do locals actually eat for lunch?
ภาคเหนือมีข้าวซอยค่ะ
Khao soy. Khao soy. It means cow soy. Oh, the rich curry noodles. Lek made me eat that in Chiang Mai. Absolutely incredible.
ภาคกลางมีข้าวผัดค่ะ
Khao pad. Khao pad. It means fried rice. Central style fried rice. Very safe. Very delicious. What about you, Nicha? What are you getting?
ภาคอีสานค่ะ ส้มต
Som Tum from the Northeast. I see everyone eating that green papaya salad at lunch.
ำอาหารไทยต้องมีหลายรสชาติค่ะ
Rotchat. Rotchat. It means flavor. Many flavors? What makes a dish like Som Tum so different?
ต้องมีเปรี้ยวหวานเค็มค่ะ
Bril wan kim. Bril wan kim. It means sour, sweet, salty. Sour, sweet, and salty. So a good Thai dish balances all of those perfectly?
ใช่ค่ะ อร่อยมาก
Aroy mak. Aroy mak. It means very delicious. I definitely want to try that flavor journey. But what about the heat?
และต้องเผ็ดค่ะ
Pit. Pit. It means spicy. And spicy. Of course you would say that Nicha.
บางครั้งก็มีรสขมด้วยค่ะ
Khom. Khom. It means bitter. Bitter too? So it is a complete explosion of flavor. How do we actually order this?
ป้าคะเอาส้มตำปูปลาร้าค่ะ
Ow. Ow. It means I'll take. I'll take the Som Tam with crab and fermented fish. Nicha. You are fearless.
ใส่พริกกี่เม็ดคะ
Prik. Prik. It means chili. Oh no. We are talking about chilies. Nicha, please be reasonable today.
10 เม็ดเหมือนเดิมค่ะ
Sip. Sip. It means 10. 10 chilies? Nicha, we talked about this in Cruan's cooking class. You cannot keep doing this to yourself.
ลองชิมไหมคะ
Longshim. Longshim. It means taste. Taste it? Do I look like a man who wants to melt his tongue on a Tuesday afternoon?
ลองชิมนิดหน่อยค่ะ เบน
Nit noi. Nit noi. It means a little bit. Okay, fine. I need to understand the local flavor balance. Give me a tiny bite.
อ้าปากค่ะ
I am opening my mouth, but I am terrified. Here goes nothing. Wow. Okay.
เป็นยังไงบ้างคะ
เป็นยังไงบ้าง เป็นยังไงบ้าง It means how is it? Wait, I taste the lime juice. It's sour And the palm sugar. It's sweet.
อร่อยไหมคะ
Aroy mai. Aroy mai. It means, is it delicious? Honestly, yes. The salty fish sauce balances it perfectly. I love it.
เก่งมากค่ะ เบน
I am a culinary genius. I can handle local food. Wait. Oh no. The delay.
เผ็ดไหมคะ
Pit mai. Pit mai. It means, is it spicy? Nicha, my teeth are sweating. I cannot see straight. I need help.
ดื่มน้ำก่อนครับ
Doom nam. Doom nam. It means drink water. Drinking water is not enough. I need an entire glacier.
อร่อยแต่เผ็ดใช่ไหมคะ
Yes, it is delicious but spicy. How do locals eat this without crying?
เบนต้องสั่งของตัวเองค่ะ
Zang. Zang. It means order. Order my own? You mean I don't have to suffer? How do I order a safe one?
พูดว่า ขอส้มตำไทยค่ะ
Caw. Caw. It means I would like. Thai Som Tum. The sweet and sour version. Good. Now, how do I save my life?
บอกว่าไม่เผ็ดค่ะ
My pit. My pit. It means not spicy. But wait. I want a little bit of the authentic flavor. I am brave.
เผ็ดนิดหน่อยค่ะ
Yes. Auntie. Khao Som Tum Thai. Pet nit noi.
1 เม็ดนะคะ
Yes. Exactly 1 chili. Nicha. Don't judge me. Subscribe to Thai Talk before my tongue falls off.